Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to create a group chat in WhatsApp. Once you create a group chat, you can chat with all of your friends, all of the members of the group chat at once. And you won't have to send any individual text. So the process is really easy. I'll show you how to create a group chat in WhatsApp. Stay with me, let's get started. First of all, be sure you've logged into your account. Now open the app. So this is the homepage of the app. Now if you want to create a group chat, tap on the green message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then on this page you can see the option new group, the first option just above new contact. So tap on that option and you'll be able to choose your list of members. Here you will have to choose participants for your group chat, so choose whoever you want to from the list. I'll just choose 2 people. You can add up to 512 participants. After you're done choosing the participants, tap on the green right faced arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can name the group right here. You can type whatever you want to on this bar right here and just type whatever name you want to. You can also upload a cover photo for the group by tapping on that camera icon right besides the name. Also, you can use emojis on your name like this. I'll just leave it for now. I won't use any emoji. After you're done, tap on the green tick option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And the group has been created. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.